What if I told you there is a possibility you are not considering? Imagine this. The Netherlands, a country smaller than Niger State, is the second largest agricultural exporter in the world. Nigeria, with over 70 million hectares of arable land, still imports wheat, rice, and even tomatoes. Why? Because while they treat land as a system, we treat it as a status symbol. Because while they see soil as capital, we see it as bush. If you are a professional executive or business owner, here is what you must internalize. True wealth is productive, not passive. You must move from consumption to creation, speculation to stewardship. Your salary, your business, your property are all important, but ask yourself, what are you planting for the future? We are not just called to work hard, we are called to build. To build systems, build legacies, build sustainable wealth. The road beyond the office, beyond the flashy lifestyle, beyond market trends, leads back to the land. The question is, will you wait until food becomes luxury before you realize the truth was always in plain sight? Or will you seize the opportunity of strength and resources to start your own journey to building a formidable legacy? The choice is yours.